In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase photo in Affinity. We'll walk through getting set up, using the main erase brush, and then exploring the background erase brush and the flood erase tool so you can cleanly remove areas from your image with confidence. First, open Affinity and make sure you're looking at your image in Pixel View. You'll find Pixel View at the top of the interface. Switching to Pixel View ensures you're editing actual pixels rather than vectors, which is essential for precise erasing. If your image has multiple layers, keep an eye on the Layers panel so you know exactly which layer you're affecting as you work. Next, select the Erase Brush tool from the toolbar and start erasing the areas you want to remove. Think of this like painting transparency onto your layer. For smooth edges, use a softer brush. For crisp edges, increase hardness. Adjust brush size on the fly so you can cover larger areas quickly, then shrink it to work carefully around details. Opacity and flow controls help you build the effect gradually if you need a more subtle touch. Zoom in around edges and pan as you go to keep your strokes accurate and avoid accidental halos. When you're dealing with tricky edges or fine detail, try the background erase brush. This tool samples color at the brush tip and removes pixels that match, which is great for subjects like hair or fur against a contrasting background. If you notice it removing too much, lower the tolerance. If it's missing background pixels, raise it slightly. A smaller brush and careful strokes along the edge line usually give the best results. For large flat areas of similar color, use the flood erase tool. Click once to remove a contiguous region, adjust tolerance to control how broad the selection is. If it skips areas that look similar, increase the tolerance. If it bleeds into your subject, dial it back. That's it, Pixel View, Erase Brush, Background Erase, and Flood Erase. With a few mindful adjustments, you'll get clean, professional erases every time.